What's up, everyone? Marvin back again. Today I will be showing you a trade I took on the 30th of March, and still on the gold pair because gold works for me very well. I like trading gold. I was watching the markets early in the morning, and this is exactly what was going on. As we can go through the charts right now, I want to show you exactly what I did without any further time going forward. So let's go through the trade and see what happened. So as I was going through this, this is on the 30th of March. There was, like I said, I don't usually like trading against the trend, and there was an uptrend here, which was on the 1 minute time frame because it was going above the 200 EMA. So I was looking for a buy. So there was a zone here. There was a zone, some kind of resistance which was created up here. We came back down here, and then we tested the the resistance level again. We came back down, and then I was just looking for a break out of this zone, and then I would have entered for a trade. So that is exactly what I did. When I saw this breakout candle, that's when I entered for a trade here. I entered for a trade there. I put my stop loss down here, and then I was running this trade up to, I think, this point, because I was looking for a previous place. I usually look at the back, at the other side, for a specific zone to take my profit, and this is exactly where the place was. So this is where the zone was. So I was looking to take my profit here, and this is where I had put my take profit. I put my take profit here, and it came and it hit my take profit. But at some point, it is not the only trade I had taken, because when I saw this kind of pullback here, when I saw this pullback, I was like, this is some kind of breakthrough. I was like, this is some kind of break of the trend line which I had put here. So I was like, let me enter for another position. So I entered for a few other positions here. These ones I had put my stop loss up here, and then I had put the same take profit up here because I did not want to go above that zone for my take profit, because it was the previous area for a zone. And as you can see, it pulled back, it hit the take profit, and then at some point it pulled back down. So I was being safe here, and I took this trade also. I will also show the results up here for what this brought me. I don't remember how much money it was, but it was a very good trade. There were two trades which I had entered for this position, and it was a very good trade. So this was a good analysis which I had gone through, and it worked perfectly for me. So you can see, the trades that I take, they don't usually take a lot of hustle. I just go with the trend. If I see it's an uptrend, I look for some kind of confirmation of where I can take my trade from. So if it is uneasy and a good thing for me, then I take the trade, and I see if I can ride it through to the upside and see if it works. Many people would have entered the position here, with this engulfing candle here, and going to the upside. It would have worked, but I usually have my own strategy which says let the price first break through the zone, the resistance zone, and then you enter your position. Others usually wait for the pullback, like this pullback here, and enter at this point. But when I see this candle, at this candle here, let me move this to the side a little bit. When I see at this candle here, if I can get, let's see, if I can see this candle here, if I can zoom in a little bit, if I can see this candle close above this wick. This wick is the highest point in the candles below. So if I can see this candle close below this wick, above this wick, sorry, then I enter the trade immediately, because I know there is a lot of volume with the buyers. So I enter and I wait for my win. So this is exactly how I won this trade, and that's my market structure and the breakdown of my trades that I've gone through. There are other trades which I took within the past week, and I will show them here in the next videos. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Peace.